Alright, I got this old Caterpillar Pony gas tank that is rusted out inside. Let's see if we can get a good look here inside of this thing. Completely rusted and crusted on the inside. I'm going to try this Works. Been told can completely strip it, make it look like brand new. So we're going to give her a shot. So I'm just going to try one bottle here first, let it sit and swish it around a lot, and come back and check it in a little bit. Alright, I filled this up and flipped it over, put some in the petcock, and you can see it's just foaming away, hopefully eating the rust. I took out the plastic pieces just in case, because I'm pretty sure it will eat the plastic as well. But looking good so far. Open up the inside and it's just a brown, murky mess. Let her sit for a bit longer and we'll come take a look. Alright, we let this thing sit for a little longer than I planned. Ended up being about 12 hours. But let's go inside and take a look. Rotated it a few times. You can see, open up the petcock there. The stuff just pouring out. Alright. Got light down there. Not as good as I expected, but we'll maybe run a little wire brush in there. Give her a little scrubby scrub. Not super impressed so far, but you can definitely see all the crap running out. I will give her a little hose spritz and see what she looks like. Dump this thing out. Alright, it's pretty grody. Yeah, still looking pretty nasty in there. Definitely going to take a lot more work. So I hit this thing with some water, just hit it with the garden hose, flushed it out, and I'm shockingly surprised on how clean it is in there. So, need to hit some, maybe some sandpaper here, wire brush on the filler neck here, and then going to treat the inside, some sort of oil, maybe the POR 15, WD-40, something like that, some oil. Keep it from flash rusting, and I think we're gonna be good to go. It's looking good.